Are you a do-it-yourselfer or a green industry professional that works on sprinkler pop-ups? Then you need this tool. I'll quickly show you what it is and how it works and where to buy this gem. Tom Lanier here with Sprinkler Pros. If you work on sprinkler pop-ups, then you know how frustrating it can be to attempt to change or install a nozzle or screen without something to hold the shaft while you do your work. Another test of patience is when the shaft slips out of your hand and pops back down into the pop-up body. This tool solves that problem and more. Stick around for my pro tip regarding this tool too. When you're done watching this short video, click the link below to get your free downloads to help you with your irrigation projects. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know when my new videos are available. In my business, I'm always looking for easier, better, faster, and more efficient ways to get things done. That's why when I see a great tool like this, I snag it. This tool is so important and helpful to me that I carry two in my clip-on pouch, one extra in my tote, and a couple of backups in my truck to either use if one of these wears out, or to sell to clients, or if I happen to leave it behind. Since it's the same color as grass, it blends in and I occasionally miss seeing it, and when it's time to leave the job site, oops. Hang in there with me for a moment and I'll show you how I deal with that. Here's how the Bird Pull-up tool works. First, if you're doing an inspection of the system and you see nozzles you need to deal with, you can clamp the tools on the shafts, then turn off the water before coming back to work on those nozzles. This acts as a way to mark which ones need attention and eliminates one of the steps with working on the nozzles once you get on your knees. Next, you pull up the shaft by the nozzle with one tool and quickly clamp the base of the shaft with the second tool and do the nozzle and screen work you need to do. If the shaft has fallen down into the body, you can use the tool to pull it out like this. This tool will work with any pop-up on the market, but it won't pull up full spray nozzles like this since there's nothing to grab on to the top. In this case, you'll need to first lift the nozzle edge using this mini screwdriver. It may not be able to grab broken nozzles either. Isn't this tool snazzy? Now it's time for the pro tip. If you're in the green industry, consider having laminated 1" by 2" labels printed with your business name, logo, and phone number. I wrap one of these around the handle of the tool so if I accidentally leave it behind, I would hope that someone would call me to let me know I left it. I place those laminated labels on most of my tools in places where they won't rub off while I'm using them. Well, I hope this was helpful. To get this handy tool, click the link below to go to my ever-growing resources page where you can click to buy these Bird Pull-up tools along with other irrigation tools, timers, valves, pop-ups, and nozzles, etc. that I mention on these videos. By purchasing them, you'll help support this channel and all its helpful information. Have you heard about this tool for the first time and plan to buy it? Or have you used it and have a story to tell? Well, let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to read about it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.